Hey, Steve here. Today we got 2019 Honda Fit. We're going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on that. Push button start on most of them. Just push it twice. The engine doesn't need to be running. Then we're going to be looking at this screen here. Then on the steering wheel you got your info buttons here. So we're just going to scroll through until you get to vehicle settings. Then with the middle button, go into vehicle settings, scroll through until you find your maintenance info. Then it's going to show you B12, so that's a B service, brake service, what is that? One, I think it's oil, tire rotation. Brake service, tire rotation is the one. Two is the air and pollen filters. So it obviously gives you the options there. Cancel. So again, with the scrolling buttons on the steering wheel, you can cancel or reset. So we're going to reset because we're going to do all of this today. Hit reset. Reset's completed. All done. Then you just scroll through again. Exit out of that. You're all set to go. You can turn off the car, or you can start it, drive away, whatever you like. Then if you want to continue with more maintenance reset minders, just like and subscribe. Thank you.